Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.4. Question number first part 4. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Now I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of elimination method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.4. Question number 2. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and the substitution method. Question first part 4. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. It is first equation. And x minus y by 3 equal to 3. It is second equation. You solve equation first and second by the help of elimination method. And you find the value of x and the value of y. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the solution by elimination method. Clear? Given equations are x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1 and it is equation first. Clear? And x minus y by 3 equal to 3. It is equation second. It is equation first and it is equation second. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. You can write equation first and equation second as now x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. You can write it here minus 1. You can write it left side of equal. Here you can write it left side of equal. Clear? And here 3 you can write it left side of equal. It becomes here plus 1 by 1 equal to 0. It is equation first. Here minus 1, when you write it left side, on left side of equal, then it becomes plus 1. Clear? Plus 1 by 1. Or here you can take LCM of 2, 3 and 1. 6. 6 is LCM of 2, 3 and 1. Clear? 6 divided by 2, you find 3. 3 multiply x, it becomes 3x. Plus 6 divided by 3, you find 2. 2 multiply 2y, it becomes 4y. Plus 6 divided by 1, you find 6. 6 multiply 1, it becomes 6. Equal to 0. Clear? You can write it 3x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. It is equation first. You can write equation first as 3x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. Clear? Equation second, x by 1 minus y by 3 minus 3 by 1 equal to 0. Equation second. Here 3, when you write it left side of equal, then it become minus 3. Here minus 3, you can write minus 3 equal to minus 3 by 1. Clear? You take LCM of 1, 3 and 1. 3 divided by 1, you find 3. 3 multiply x, it becomes 3x. Minus 3 divided by 3, you find 1. 1 multiply y, it becomes y. Minus 3 divided by 1, you find 3. 3 multiply 3, it becomes minus 9 equal to 0. You can write it 3x minus y minus 9 equal to 0. It is equation second. It is equation second. Equation first and equation second is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now you multiply by 3 in equation first and multiply by 3 in equation second, because here 3 and here 3. Clear? It becomes 3 3 ja 9x plus 3 4 ja 12y plus 3 6 ja 18 equal to 0. It is equation third. Equation third is clear? Here equation second, multiply 3, it becomes 3 3 ja 9x minus 3y minus 9 3 ja 27 equal to 0. It is equation 4. Equation 3 and equation 4 is clear? Equation 3 and equation 4. Equation first, equation second, equation third, equation fourth. You find equation 3 by multiplying by 3 in equation first. You find equation 4 when you multiply by 3 in equation second. Clear? Equation first, equation second, equation third, equation fourth. Now you subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Clear? Equation 4 is 9x minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. It is equation 4. Equation 3 is 9x plus 12y plus 18 equal to 0. It is equation 3. You draw a line and change its sign. Clear? Here plus sign, so you write here minus. Here plus, so you write minus. Here plus, so you write minus. Clear? Here plus 9x, here minus 9x. You can cut it. Clear? Here minus 3y, here minus 12y. It become minus 15y. Here minus 27, here minus 18. It become 45 minus 45 equal to 0. You write minus 45 on right side of equal. It become minus 15y equal to 45. Here minus 45, when you write on right side of equal, then it become plus 45. Clear? Y equal to 45 by minus 15. 15 1 ja, 15 3 ja. Y equal to minus 3. You find y equal to minus 3. Clear? Now you put y equal to minus 3 in equation 3rd. In equation 3. Clear? Here equation 3 is 9x plus 12y. 9x plus 12y plus 18 equal to 0. Plus 18 equal to 0. Equation 3rd. Clear? Put y equal to minus 3. Here 9x plus 12 multiply minus 3 plus 18 equal to 0. 9x minus plus 12 multiply minus 3. It become minus 12 3 da 36. Minus 36 plus 18 equal to 0. 9x minus, you subtract it, it become minus 18 equal to 0. You can write minus 18 on right side of equal. It become 9x equal to 18, x equal to 18 by 9. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja. X equal to 2. You find y equal to 3 and x equal to 2. Clear? You solve equation first and equation second by elimination method. Here solution by elimination method, and you find the value of x equal to 2, value of y equal to minus 3. Clear? Hence x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. Minus 3. It is your answer. You solve your question very easily by the help of elimination method. Solution is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily by the help of elimination method and this solution. Clear? No suspense about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.